All right, hello. I haven't put the finals into this Tec Hercules 444 amp yet because I don't have them, but I wanted to do a checkout of what the thermal sensors do on this thing. So the left amplifier has a thermal sensor and the right amplifier has a thermal sensor. And what I found was the left amplifier's thermal sensor will turn a relay on here and turn on the two fans. This right one will simply turn on the temp sensor and trip the operate to standby. So I will show you how that works. You can turn on the amplifier here, operate. Now, when the left amplifier sensor is tripped, the fans will come on like this. There we go. They run at full speed. When the fans are off, they run sort of at a very low speed, but they don't stop spinning. So when this is not activated, you have some very slow fans running. Again. Okay, on the right side amplifier, there's a similar sensor there. That sensor will trip the temp alarm. So if the right amplifier overheats, you'll get a temp alarm. So if the left amplifier is not working, the fans never come on. Anyway, here's the right one. Let's cross it. And you'll see the temp alarm will come on immediately and you're out of operate. However, when this is not over temp anymore, the temp goes off and the control stays on. So you can see when I cross this, the temp light will light up. So anyway, that's how that works. Nice design. And of course, to reset, you want to go back to operate. And you're back in business. So that's how that works. Whoa, fans came on. So that's how that works. I think this amp's going to be a pretty good one once it's all done, I hope. This is worrisome how this works, but we'll see. Standby. Only move this switch, I would suppose, in standby. That thing is a real, I don't know, bummer. How that thing goes so fast. I don't like it at all. And how do you know these things are lined up right? I guess I just gotta check it and make sure it works right. So I keep wondering why that final blew, and I should probably take out this whole assembly and inspect it. Clean it, make sure it's working right. And there's no way to even see the contacts in there to see if they're lined up right or not. No way at all. Easily. Can the bottom come off this thing? No. So this whole assembly has to get removed. Let's turn this thing off. I did put a new plug in this thing too, a nice hospital plug with a 15 amp capacity and a light that comes on, so you know the thing's getting power. And let's see here. The board sort of floats in here. That's very Drake-esque. Very Drake TR7 type stuff, where things just float. Let's see if we can look in here a little further and see what's going on. Looks like it is attached at the ends. Yeah, I hate just putting finals in this thing and trusting it'll work. Seems kind of stupid. You can't imagine that anybody really had operator air. There's not much air this thing can have. So to inspect that, the motor would have to get taken out. And looks like the motor's on a shock mount here. I just wonder if someone's been fooling with this thing. The motor's tight, the shock mount's tight. It's held in by a screw here and a screw here. That would release the stepper motor. Is there an adjustment? Boy, this is like one interesting little circuit here. I guess that wire should be taken out of there. Then I'll get caught up in the gears. So, do I just trust this thing? So one thing I know is these switches will oxidize, and if you run them back and forth, they tend to get better. So I guess running the switch would be a better thing than not running it, to make sure it's ready to go in all the different band positions, and this thing does cycle through many of them, so that would be probably a smart way to go about it. There we go. That thing is so nasty. It is one crazy circuit. I can smell ozone too. I almost don't want to use it too much. All right, well, that's my update. We'll see how this turkey turns out when I put some new finals in it. Hopefully it won't blow up. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.